If you are feeling tired and exhausted and don't feel like studying or working on your stuff, you've come to the right place, okay? Because I'm here to tell you the truth. And the truth is that you can't depend on your feelings for you to do your work. Because your feelings are gonna derail you. Your feelings are gonna tell you that you shouldn't be studying at 12 a.m. because you're feeling tired, or that you're feeling tired because you had a late soccer practice or hockey practice. Hey, those things are relatable, okay? We've all went through all those things, you know, but we still work hard, we still study, we still complete the work on time. So don't be thinking about how you're feeling too much, okay? I'm talking about those feelings that you're like, hey, no, I can do this, okay? I know that I'm feeling a bit tired, yes, but I know that I want that goal. I want to achieve that top achiever status, okay? So envision it, think about it, and be like, you know what? I want to see myself getting that trophy or getting whatever, anything that will motivate you to study even when you don't feel like it, right? Because your feelings are not gonna help you. Sunday night motivation! Alrighty, so in today's video, we're gonna be talking about goals, okay? And I wanna start this topic off about goal setting. I wanna start it off by stating this, a quote by Wassup. I've said it a bunch of times in my previous videos, that humans are incentive driven, right? Okay. Now, if you haven't set your goals for the year and for each term, like I'd advise you that you start doing that right now, okay? Because if you don't set goals, it's like being a sniper, being a person that shoots a sniper, right? You're in the army and you're just shooting aimlessly, right? Without having a target to be like, I'm targeting this person that's in this building and I'm gonna shoot it from here. I'm gonna measure the distance, measure the angle, measure at which window I'm supposed to shoot at, right? Like, you have to be strategic. You have to have a goal. You have to have a target, even as a student, right? So I advise you that you set your goals for each subject, right? For maths, you know that you want to get an 80 in term 2, or maybe you can even be realistic, right? Maybe if you're starting in your 60s, maybe you got a 60 in term 1, then you know that term 2, I should be getting a 70, term 3 an 80, term 4 maybe even a 90, or maybe remaining in an 80, you feel me? So that's what you have to do, so that at the end of the year, you can look back and be like, hey, yo, I actually achieved my goals. You even satisfied, right? You'll see that when you are acknowledging your progress and you are seeing that you are attaining these goals, you'll even feel satisfied and motivated to keep going. You feel me? So we've reached the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you don't know who I am and you're a new subscriber here, I am Kukrana Saluane Mawata, aka Clapback Studies, baby. And I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give me a like and comment down, you know, what goals you're gonna be setting for this term, you feel me? And do note that I'm gonna be giving specific tips on how to set goals in one of my weekly videos, you feel me? This one was just about motivation and getting you to think about it, right? But I'm gonna give you the specific tips and how I go about setting input goals and output goals, okay? So stay tuned for that. Do subscribe, do share this video, and let them know that Clapback is helping us with the study tips, you know, with goal setting, you know? So away, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace and love.
Clap back, clap back, clap back, clap back, clap back, clap back. I got time today, I'm finna clap back, clap back, clap back.